Okay, we're going to do Call Me by Chris Montez, a hit from the 60s. It's got some jazzy chords in it, D major sevenths, E minor sevenths, but some major sevenths and minor sevenths. And the recording's going to be is a little sharper than standard tuning, so you may sound a little flat if you're playing along with standard. I'll have the chords on the screen. Here we go. Okay, that's it. Pretty straightforward. I may want to, if I play this acoustically or solo gig it, may want to tune down a step. Might be a little easier. Chris seemed to have a pretty high voice, but that's an old classic. So enjoy. Good luck. Subscribe, comment, and like. Thanks.